Hello everyone, today we will discuss various types of the diseases like bacterial disease, viral diseases and fungal diseases. Bacterial diseases, viral diseases and fungal diseases. First one, bacterial diseases. First one, bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases. First one, typhoid fever. First one, typhoid fever. So these are typhoid fever caused by the bacterium, gram-negative bacterium Salmonella typhi. This is caused by Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. So this typhoid fever caused by the Salmonella typhi, bacteria Salmonella typhi. So this bacteria is gram negative bacteria. So this bacteria is gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria. So these bacteria are the two types, gram negative bacteria and gram positive bacteria. So first one, typhoid fever. The typhoid fever is caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi. Bacteria Salmonella typhi causing to the typhoid fever. So these bacteria is gram negative bacteria. This bacteria is called as gram negative bacteria. So these are infected place small intestine. So they are infected place small intestine. Infected place small intestine. Infected place small intestine. This bacteria, so they are infecting from the human being a small intestine. So this typhoid fever is identified the Widal test. Identify the Widal test. Widal test. So this Widal test used from the identify the typhoid fever. Widal test using from the identify the typhoid fever. First one, typhoid fever. So they are causing from the bacteria name Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. So these are the gram negative bacteria. So these bacteria infecting from the small intestine, infecting from the small intestine. Next one. So these are the identify the test, Widal test. These identify the test, Widal test. Next one, mode of infection. Next one, mode of infection. Mode of infection. So this mode of infection, contaminated food and water. So they are infected through the contamination through the food and water. Contamination of food and water. Contaminated food and water. Next one, symptoms. Next one, symptoms. So these symptoms they cause into the fever, the high temperature, temperature 104 Fahrenheit. 104 Fahrenheit. The temperature, body temperature 104 Fahrenheit. High temperature. Next one, constipation. Next one, loss of appetite. Constipation, loss of appetite. Next one, stomach pain. So they are causing to the stomach pain. So they are the stomach pain. Next one, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means, so they are the no hungry. Loss of appetite means no hungry. Next one, constipation. Constipation means, so they are the do not fecal matter, do not going to the outside through the fecal matter. So they are the symptoms of the typhoid fever. Sometimes they are severe in the typhoid fever. So they are the die in the persons. Sometimes die in the persons. So they are the typhoid fevers. First one, they causing to the bacteria Salmonella typhi. So they are the gram negative bacteria. So they are infecting place the small intestine. So they are identified by the test Widal test. So they are mode of infection. So they are through the contamination, food and water symptoms. So temperature, high fever with high temperature 104 Fahrenheit. Next one stomach pain. Next one stomach pain. Next one loss of appetite, no hungry. Next one no constipation. Next one stomach pain. So they are the symptoms of the typhoid fever. Next one Mary Malone, the person, the lady Mary Malone. So they are the food, preparing the food. So they are the preparing the food. So these persons, they are the common name typhoid Mary, common name typhoid fairy, typhoid Mary, common name typhoid Mary. So this because of, so these lady preparing the food materials, so they are the many years they are spreading the typhoid fever, many years spreading to the typhoid fever. So they are preparing the food materials, eating to the another human beings, they are causing to the typhoid fever. So this name typhoid Mary. Next one typhoid fever. Next one pneumonia. Next disease pneumonia. Next one pneumonia. So the pneumonia is caused by the bacteria. So they are the causing to the bacteria. This bacteria is a gram positive bacteria. Gram positive bacteria. Gram positive bacteria. This is causing to the disease Streptococcus pneumonia. There is bacteria name Streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. Haemophilus influenza. These two bacteria, the Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. So these two bacteria causing to the disease pneumonia, Next one, so this mode of infection. Mode of infection. So this mode of infection, so they are the inhalation of droplets. Inhalation of droplets. Inhalation of droplets and aerosols of the infected persons. Aerosols of infected persons. And they using to the things of the infected persons. So they like plates, glass, spoons. So they are using for the infected person things. So they are causing to the mode of infection. So they are inhalation of droplets. Next one aerosols of the, for example, so they are releasing from the droplets. These droplets, for example, I have a infected persons. So our droplets they are spreading to the another persons. So they are causing to the pneumonia disease. So next one, so they are affecting place. So they are affecting place. So this affecting place, so they are the alveoli of lungs, affecting place. So they are the alveoli of lungs. So they are affecting place, alveoli of lungs. So there is alveoli of lungs. For example, so these are the lung. So lungs contain many bulb-like structures. They are the alveoli. So these alveoli filled with mucus. So these are affecting from the respiratory problems. Symptoms. So they are causing to the respiratory problems. Causing to the respiratory problems. So they are the pneumonia. So this pneumonia is caused by the gram positive bacteria name. So this bacteria name Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. These two bacteria causing to the pneumonia disease. So, these pneumonia disease affecting place the lungs containing alveoli, so these alveoli affecting from the pneumonia disease. So, these the contamination through they are infecting from the droplets of the infected persons, aerosols of the infected persons using the things of the infected persons. So, they are causing to the disease. So, symptoms they are the several respiratory problems from the infected persons. So, they are the disease pneumonia. Next one viral disease. Next one viral diseases. Next one viral diseases. Viral diseases. First one viral diseases, common cold. Common cold. This is common cold. So, this common cold is caused by the virus rhinovirus. Virus name rhinovirus. Rhinovirus, they causing to the disease common cold. The group of the rhinoviruses, they are causing to the disease common cold, common cold. Next one, so these infecting places, so they are infecting places are the respiratory tract, infecting places, affecting places. Place. So, they are the respiratory tract. Respiratory tract. So, they are the affecting place respiratory tract. So, these are the do not affecting the lungs. Do not affecting the lungs, only affecting the respiratory tract, do not affecting the lungs. Next one, so these are the symptoms, mode of infection. Mode of infection. So, this mode of infection through the droplets of the infected persons. Droplets of the infected person, like sneezing and coughing time, they are droplets. These droplets are the causing to the disease, and indirectly they are causing to the using from the books, infected person books, using pens, keyboard, computer keyboard, mouse and door knobs. So, these are the causing to the infection. So, these are the direct and indirect. Direct, so they are the aerosols. So, they are the sneezing and coughing time, they are releasing from the droplets. So, the infected person droplets, they are spreading to the another person, they are causing to the common cold. Sometimes the indirectly they are causing to the using infected person books, infected person pens, infected person's computer keyboards and mouse and door knobs. So, they are the spreading to the common cold. Next one, symptoms. Next one, symptoms. Next one, symptoms. So, these symptoms, so they are common cold symptoms, they are releasing from the nose, discharge from the nose, discharge of a nose. Next one, headache, cough, sneezing, headache, cough, sneezing, weakness. So, they are the symptoms of the common cold, So, they are causing to the disease, the virus rhinovirus, the group of the rhinoviruses, they are causing to the disease cold, common cold. Next one, these disease normally 3 to 7 days. This time period 3 to 7 days, the common cold time period 3 to 7 days. So these are the common cold. Next one, the fungal diseases. Fungal diseases like ringworm, so these are the fungal diseases. Ringworm is the fungal diseases. So these are fungal diseases, so they are infection, so they are the infecting from the skins of the human beings. They are affecting places of the skins of the human beings, so they are causing to the ringworms like skin, for example. So these are the skin, just example skin. So the some places like round like structures. So the skin, they are presenting on the round color, red color, round like structures. So they are calling as ringworm, called as ringworm. So this ringworm causing only skin because of, so they are the heat and moisture, heat and moisture. So they are helping from the ringworm. The skin, heat and moisture. So they are help from the ringworm. Next one, so these are the infection, mode of infection. So this mode of infection through the using to the towels, shirts and combs. Infected person using to the shirts, shirt. Next one, comb. Next one, towels. They are using from the infected person. Normal individual using to the infected person things like towels, shirts and combs. So they are spreading from the infected person to normal person, infecting person to normal persons. Symptoms. So these symptoms like itching. So they are the itching like symptoms. So they are the ringworm. So they are the fungal diseases, ringworm. So they are the typhoid fever, pneumonia. Next one, common cold. Next one, ringworm. So they are the different types of the diseases. Next one, prophylaxis. Diseases, prophylaxis. This prophylaxis mainly personal hygiene, majorly personal hygiene. Next one, this time the medical science well developed, they are presenting on the different vaccines. So they are using to the different types of the vaccines. So they are the curing of the diseases like polio, smallpox. So majorly diseases. So these diseases are the controlling the biological science, because of biological science, medical science well developed. So they are producing many vaccines. They are formation of many vaccines. These vaccines, so they are the curing the affected persons. So they are the types of the diseases.